Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, ayun may order ako early morning. Ham pineapple pizza, pepperoni bacon pizza, pepperoni under the cheese, barbecue chicken pizza, chicken under the cheese with cooked tomato, onion and green pepper. Ito naman guys, meat lovers, pepperoni, salami, beef, doner meat, and bacon. All the toppings except bacon guys, nasa under the cheese siya. So bacon lang yung sa taas. Yan. Yan guys. Pick up at 11:45 guys. Yan. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you in my next video guys. Bye bye.